Sarah from English Factory. How are you, friends? I think you are looking for Mr. Adam, right? He is busy with some private engagements. So I am the one to teach you today. Are you ready? Okay, Mr. Adam asked me to help you understand something that you learned from the previous 2 lessons. The first one is ongoing actions, and the second is habits. So, let me explain, what is the major difference between our habits and the actions that we are doing right now? Hey, don't worry friends, there are some good examples for you. I am going to school. This is an action I am doing at the time of speaking. I go to school. This is an action I am not doing at the time of speaking. More examples. She is driving. She drives. Are you getting confused? Don't worry. Please listen carefully. I am teaching my students now. I teach my students on Thursday. She is sleeping. She sleeps early. It is raining in Kerala. It rains in Kerala from May to September. Wow. It was actually so easy. Now I understand the difference between these 2 lessons. Okay friends, that's all for today. Mr. Adam will join you from next class. Thank you very much. Subscribe and press the bell icon.